Hey y'all, good morning. So I'm back with another video. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be reinstalling Pegasus hair that they sent me. I added a 30-inch bundle to the unit. So I just made the unit a little bit longer, and I'm going to put a snippet of the video of the hair that I use and let you guys know I ordered it from Amazon and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be reinstalling this hair, and I'm going to be adding waves. So I was watching one of my favorite YouTuber videos, Rabiana Simone, and she used this wave thing that I had never heard of. Okay, so I went out and purchased me one. So I'm super excited about this. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into this video. Let's go. All right, so I'm just going to brush out the unit, and then I'm going to apply my bold holds. I like to brush my edges up first to make sure I have no hair in the way. I'm only going to do it 5 inches because it is a 5x5, and I'm going to do 2 layers and then make sure that it dries before I go ahead and apply my wig. Then I'm just going to take the unit, and yeah, I'm just going to apply the lace onto the unit. I'm just fitting the clips in, making sure they stay, but yeah, so I'm just snagging them in and then just applying the lace. Once it's in, I'm just going to comb the unit out. You can see how long it is. It is beautiful, and that's with me adding more bundles. So next I'm just going to take my hot comb, and I'm going to go ahead and flatten the front portion just to make sure that it lays nicely and it looks really natural. Then I'm going to take my waver, okay, y'all, and I got her for about $26 at Walmart, and I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, put some waves in the wave gang. And I love it because I'm taking big portions, and it's so freaking easy for me to just put the waves in. And be careful because it gets really hot. This wave maker, honey, that's why I love her so much. I just love watching Rabiana. Yes, it's everything. I'm gonna give it a little comb out. Yes, I'm loving it, and it's so fast, and you can do it in big sections. Oh yes. All right, guys, so that is done. Now we're gonna go ahead and get into the baby hairs. Let's get into it. Lace looking right. Ooh. So y'all know to style my baby hairs, I'm gonna be using this, which is my Got To Be Glue styling gel. Now I don't like to style my baby hairs on here, so I'm gonna style them off screen. I'll be right back. So baby hairs style, and I'm just gonna spray my hair once again. All right, guys, so this is how we're looking. She's a 5x5 closure unit, Pegasus hair. And remember, I added 30-inch bundles to this unit just to make it a little bit longer, a little bit thicker. This is where she comes on me now. And I told you reviewing that hair that I did not feel like it was 30 inches. I felt like it was like a 26, maybe a 28, but it's fine. I still used it, and for the price, it was still good. So this is my install, as you guys can see, looking real realistic out here for the boys. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you're feeling this hair, and I'll link the original video up here for you guys to see. Again, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Bye.